Hello everyone, hope you all fine. So welcome back to the class of social studies. So today we are going to discuss the topic that is Panchayat Raj Part 3rd, in which we are going to discuss about the block samiti. This block samiti is at the level of work at the level of block level. So here is all about the panchayat at block level. What the block level panchayat did, or what the level it is called. At the block level, the panchayat raj institution is known as. block level पे जो पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं उनको ब्लॉक समिति, जनपद पंचायत और पंचायती समिति कहा जाता है. बेसिकली ये जो ब्लॉक लेवल है ये एक जस्ट लाइक अ लिंक वर्क करता है बिटवीन द ग्राम पंचायत एंड जिला परिषद एंड ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ ब्लॉक. जो भी जितने भी मेंबर्स इसके अंदर इंक्लूड होते हैं जिनको इलेक्ट किया जाता है ब्लॉक समिति के लिए, वो मेंबर्स जो हैं कितने टाइम के लिए इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं, उन मेंबर्स को इंक्लूड किया जाता है फॉर 5 years. बेसिकली जो भी ब्लॉक आपका जो ब्लॉक लेवल होता है इसमें जो मेंबर्स होते हैं प्रमुख और चेयरमैन को प्रमुख भी कहा जाता है और उप प्रमुख को वाइस चेयरमैन कहा जाता है. बेसिकली दीज प्रमुख आर टोटली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेली अफेयर्स ऑफ द समिति एंड इन दिस द ब्लॉक लेवल देयर आर ऑल्सो द ब्लॉक लेवल डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर एंड the work of the block development officer is the government representative. It's work like a government representative, and this block development officer totally responsible for implementing all the policies that are related to the development of the block. So here we talk about the functions of the block level. Basically very first function of the block samiti is to giving expert knowledge to the villagers about the agriculture, animal husbandry, veterinary medicine, healthcare, and all these are the functions of the work of the block level done at the block level. Basically in second function of the block samiti, that is work at a block level, that is arranging for better primary education and opening more night schools for adult shelters for the needy and the homeless people. Now come to the next third point, that is the developing and maintaining sewerage system and ensuring good drinking water for all the villagers, as where the block samiti worked at a block level. And if we talk about the sources of the income of the panchayat at block level, that is the basically the income source of the block samiti is the taxes from houses, water, electricity, land and cattle. All these are the sources of the income to the block level panchayat, or we can say that the block samiti's income. So it's